Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Donjo 264-CW-BZ. And this is a unique wraparound plate. I don't remember the last time I sold one of these. So there's your extended look. The 264 is representative of the fact that this is a U-shaped wraparound plate. And that means that it's got two holes, a specific center to center, a specific diameter on the top hole, and a specific diameter on the bottom hole, specific backset as well. That's what the 264 means. The CW means that you've got mortises here for the latch bolts of your existing locks, and the BZ means that it's bronze. Let's start from backwards. The BZ bronze, that means this is solid bronze. This is a magnet and there's no attraction to it. That is of solid bronze material. It's bronze material with a satin bronze finish. Okay, we've discussed the CW. That means that it's going to be mortised in the edge for your latch bolts. You can also get it with a flat front, where your latch bolt just sticks out of the edge. That would be the VF version. Now, 264, let's go over it. First of all, this plate is going to be 4 inches wide by 9 inches tall. That's where we're going to start. Okay, 4 inch by 9 inch. Then you're going to have a 2 3/8 backset on both of the holes, and that's the edge of the door. Well, technically it's not, but good enough. It's the edge of the door to the center of the hole. You can see that it's 2 3/8 on both of these locks. Okay, it's also going to mean that your center to center on these holes is 4 inch. That's really important to know. 4 inch center to center. What that means is from the center line of this hole to the center line of this hole is 4 inch, very specific. This also means that the diameter of the top hole is 1.5 inches, and that's going to be for a very specific sort of deadbolt. So you want to make sure that the preparation that your lock needs is for an 1.5 inch hole at the top and a 2 1/8 hole at the bottom. That's very common and very typical. Okay, 1.5 inch diameter, 2 3/8 diameter, 2 3/8 backset, 4 inch center to center in bronze. Is going to include 4 screws to hold the thing to the door. Okay, 2 holes here, 2 holes here. Then you're also going to get 4 machine screws, like an 8. They are an 832 undercut head machine screw, and that's going to be because there are nuts that are here, machine thread. It's possible, very likely, that the latch bolts you have, when you remove those from the door, you'll have wood screws. That's no good. So you'll be able to secure those to the edge of the wrap plate with the included machine screws. Real nice quality. This thing itself weighs pretty close to 1.25 pounds. It's a heavy piece of solid bronze. And if you've got a door with some damage on it, it's got a lock with that 1.5 inch diameter hole, and there's not many of them that require it, but there's a very common one that does. Your Schlage B100 series locks back in the old days required them. Your 400, if you want to go older than that, your 400 series required them as well. You know, if you've got some damage on a door, or some, you know, or maybe you just want to change the look of it as well, you could certainly use this. Now, when I've installed these, I've had to always chisel out the edge of the door to accept a larger mortise, deeper mortised area for the plate. You're going to want to make sure that the plate fits as snug onto the door as possible. Get it nice and snug on there, because you got the thickness of the plate there now that the margin between the edge of the door and the frame now has to account for. So you're going to want to get that as tight on there as possible to allow your door to continue to operate correctly. Available in different finishes, available in most combinations of centers, back sets, diameter of holes, top and bottom. If it's a wraparound plate, Danjo 99% of the time has you covered. They're very notable for this product line along with their latch guards. They make all the things like push and pull hardware and signage for doors, amongst many other things. If you have any questions on the Danjo 264-CWBZ bronze wraparound plate or any other Danjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.